157, clear for takeoff, left close traffic.
Clear for takeoff, left close traffic, Golf Bravo.
2 Whiskey Bravo, left next taxiway, taxi runway 27 via Alpha Cross 34.
Okay, copy all that. Clear to Alpha, clear to cross 34, and I got to pick up an IFR. Should I do that with you or contact ground?
You can pick it up with me real quick. It's a full route whenever you're ready.
Yeah, stand by.
Clear. The tower. Clear the buildings.
Ready to copy.
2 Whiskey Bravo, clear to White Plains Airport via the Stuart 9 departure. Radar vectors to Kingston. That's India Golf November.
Over the telephone
Victor
call.
157 to Valerie. Victor 157 Harp. Direct. Climb via SID to 3,000. 3,000 is your final altitude. Squawk 4255.
Put the handbrake on.
That's perfect.
All right, it was 672 Whiskey Bravo is clear to White Plains via the Stuart 9. Then to Kingston, Victor 157 to Valerie, Victor 157 to Harp. Maintain 3,000, squawk 4255.
You're back correct, 2 Whiskey Bravo.
All right, thanks.
908 Delta Sierra, how does this approach terminate?
Delta Sierra, we're left off downwind for runway 27 and we'll like the full stop.
908 Delta Sierra, runway 27, clear to land, wind 2907.
Clear to land 27, 908 Delta Sierra.